I'm here with Deborah Bird at her home in Fremont, North Carolina, and they just went with the forest green um, Gator Metal Roof. And how was your experience with the installation, Deborah?
We were very, very happy with them. They were very professional, did everything we asked them to do. They kept everything clean and picked up, made sure there was no nails left on the ground.
Excellent.
Highly recommend them.
Excellent. Deborah tells me they even helped a woman that fell down the road. They helped get her into her house.
Yes, they did. They stopped, ran up there to where she was at because she'd been hollering for help, and helped her get up, and we helped her get in the house and come back and got back on the roof and went back to work.
Fantastic. And you guys got interrupted by rain, but they came right back on Sunday, you said?
Yes, they did. They waited out one shower, and then it started again, so it was late enough in the evening. They just went on home and then come back on Sunday and worked all day Sunday and come back on Monday morning and finished the job.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much, and thank you for letting Gator Metal Roof come out here and partner with you on this wonderful home.
And we thank you very much. Appreciate it.